And then the...
What?
I'm filming you. To my channel. My name's Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you very much. I have a special guest here. This is my son, Avery. Say hi. Hi. Okay, so we're doing this a fun video for his birthday. We are going to be reviewing 3 Avery wigs because his name's Avery. I will review the 3 wigs and then he will pick the one that he likes best. One of the ones that we're going to do is this Outre. My neighbors are loud. Outre Avery wig, this Motown Tress Avery wig, and then the last wig we're going to do is the Avery wig from Bobbi Boss. That's our cat. So, what do you think? What do you think about me like reviewing wigs and wearing wigs and stuff?
I think it's a good idea.
Yeah. You do? You think it's a good idea?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so these are the 3 wigs. I'm gonna review them and then you can pick your favorite.
Okay.
All right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we'll be right back. First up, I am going to do the Bobbi Boss Avery wig, and I have her in the color TT1B/350RD, so it's sort of like a red mix, and she's available in a lot of colors. And this says it's handmade Swiss deep part. She's heat safe. I think Bobbi Boss is the one. Yeah, they just say heat safe, but they never give you like what the temperature is. So I'd say probably between like 300 and 350. I scooped her up from Wig Types for $28.07. So let's get her out. All right, that's what she looks like. I really like the fiery red color. I like the coloring in there. You see like sort of oranges and reds. I'm not super thrilled with the 1B root, but that's just how things go. Let's look at her cap construction. She's got the Swiss lace. It's really not that soft though. She's got a slightly curved parting looks nice. 2 combs in the front and comb in the back with adjustable straps. It's like she's a Yaki texture for sure. Okay. Alrighty. This is a right side part. Let's look at, it's a deep right side part. Yeah, I guess it's a deep part on her too. Okay, push me wig cap back. Ooh, I don't really like red usually, but I'm really already into this wig in terms of the style for sure. Wig cap's super comfortable. I didn't adjust it and it does feel a little bit tight, so I would say this is a small wig cap. We'll get this chick together. I will give you my thoughts about it and then we'll see what Avery thinks about it, and then we'll move on to the next ones, and then he'll pick his favorite at the end, and that's how we're gonna do it. Okay. took no time to get together. So I have some pros and cons for this wig. She is about 18 inches long. Okay, and let's look at her from the back. Avery, come here for a minute. So this is her from the back. This is the movement. I struggled during this clip, so I'm going to voice over. This wig took nothing to get together, so I definitely recommend it for the ease. I don't know if I needed more coffee or what, but nothing I said in this little section made sense. I love the texture. I'm not too crazy about the color, but that's like my preference. She would look cute like with the, ooh yeah, like with the ponytail situation. I would probably wear it like that. I am never a fan of this heavy bang to the front. It's just not my jam. Also mixed with this like deep parting, because I feel like this always, see how this always separates. So there's just a lot of hoopla that you have to do to get it to actually look like this. So I don't know, maybe if I like, let me try to shift her. I definitely like her better shifted. She still would need some work to set this down for me, because I don't like stuff in my face like that. I feel like if I were to like wear her like this, I would be okay with it, or wear her in a ponytail, but just to wear her straight down, I just can't do it. And it's a shame because the texture is amazing. Again, I'm just not one with this whole heavy bang. I know that a lot of people like it though, so if that is sort of your jam, this could probably be a good wig for you, because the texture is very nice. Yeah, this is the only way I could wear her. The only other thing I want to say is this does have baby hairs available, so if you wanted to set it down with the baby hairs or blend it, that would be really nice. I didn't get a ton of shedding, so that's also very nice. The wig cap is definitely small. It does feel a little bit tight, and I didn't even adjust it or anything, and normally I don't have issues with wig caps, so it's definitely a smaller wig cap. I would actually recommend her if this is a style that you really like, because I think that the quality of the wig is super nice. Let me get Avery and see what he thinks. You're probably gonna have to come down just a little bit. All right, so this is the first one.
Ooh, it's pretty.
Feel it. Okay, this is the Bobbi Boss wig. Okay, so keep that in your mind, and I'll do the other two. Okay. Okay, so this is a Motown Tress's Avery. It said deep part lace. So this looks like it's a lace parting, or is it a lace front? It looks like it's a lace front. This is Avery in the color Ash Blonde. It says 4-inch deep J-curve lace part, ear to ear, curling iron safe to 400 degrees. Comes in a bunch of colors, and it shows that ear to ear lace. And I scooped this Avery up from Wig Types for $26.94. I'm curious to see how this, it says the finished length is 17 inches. You know what? I don't see that on a lot, and I love that they actually have the wig length. My only issue is like, I don't normally like this style. Like, it is similar to this style, but it's just shorter. So I'm curious to see what it looks like. She is a lace front, and this is another right-sided part. Right off the bat, I really like the color of this ash blonde, and there's like, it's multifaceted, so I don't even feel like it would need toned or anything. The only concern right in this moment is, if you can see, as I'm moving this around, I feel like I can see wefts a little bit, but only really at the crowns. Maybe it won't even be a big issue. The part looks a little bit tight, but with this style that may not be an issue. Here's that lace front, and then the lace parting there, 2 combs in the front, and then you also have a comb and adjustable straps in the back. Wig cap is very comfortable, and I actually love this length. I might actually like this bang on here. I'm not even sure. Like, normally I don't like that. Again, this is another snug one though. It's definitely not a large wig cap. Loving the color. I actually don't mind the part in this wig. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm actually dying for this one. Yeah, Wig Cap is definitely small because it's a little bit too tight for me, and I didn't adjust it or anything. She's definitely a right-sided part. She wants to be sort of that deep part situation. I feel like this would be so cute, just like clipped back. Ugh. All right, let me get her together and then we will see what's up. Actually really like this, even with the swooped bang. I think that for me, someone that doesn't like hair in their face, I think it could easily just be like a little pin situation. I think this would be a great work wig. The texture is a light yaki. I think this color specifically would be great for those of you who are natural blondes and have more Caucasian hair, because it's yaki, a light yaki, but it's a little bit silky. I think this is just going to mimic your hair a little bit better. Let's look at her from the back. Oh, this is not bad at all. I was really afraid that you would be able to see. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute, flirty little, sassy little wig. Let's see what Avery thinks of Avery. Okay, so this is the second Avery. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
Is it this?
It's this one here.
I like that one.
Okay, so you have two Averys, and then I'll get the third together, and then you can choose your favorite.
Deal.
Okay, bye. Okay, so last but not least, we have Avery from Outre. This is a lace front wig. It says it's natural baby hairs, 5-inch Swiss lace L-shaped parting, heat resistant up to 400 degrees. And I have Avery in the color DRSMLAV, which is dark roots in the lavender. I scooped her up from Wig Types for $25.99, and when I ordered this particular wig, Avery, my son Avery, actually picked out the color. So this is a color he wanted to see. Ugh, she's so pretty. Ugh, I can already tell I love this color. You know, I like an ashy blonde, a gray color, this like matte lavender. So this chick is actually a left-sided part, which is normally the part that I like. Beautiful parting space. Lace front. She has 2 combs in the front and then comb in the back and adjustable straps. I absolutely love when short wigs have a comb in the back, because I feel like if of any wigs, it needs to be the short ones, because so they don't pull up. She has these pretty roots. They're dark roots, but they're more of a dark gray, like a charcoal root. And then these gorgeous curls that are like a matte lavender situation. Loving it. Oh my Buddha. I love this. I don't even care what Avery's favorite wig is. I already know this is mine. Wig cap is comfortable. Again, I don't feel like any of these are like large wig caps, to be honest with you. Oh my god. I'm like legit dying. All right, let me get her together, although I don't think she needs a lot. Baby hairs are very long. Like, hey, side bangs. Let me get her together, and then we'll see what Avery thinks, and then he can make his final decision. But I already know what mine is. But okay, let's get her together. Okay, I am in love. She's definitely a Yaki texture. You could comb these curls out, like she has them more combed out, but I love the actual curl, so I don't want to do that. Because she's the Yaki texture, I don't mind the whole bump thing because I feel like the fibers of the Yakiness like hold together and it's like out of my face. I could give it a little spray if I wanted to, but I don't think I need to do that right now. I'm like almost positive I'm wearing this out tomorrow night. So I'm not getting a ton of shedding, and I may have already said this, but the wig cap is definitely snug, so none of these wigs are for people who want larger wig caps. Let's look at the back. Oh my gosh, look how cute the stack is on that. Ugh, ugh. I love this wig. I can just tell you that right now. The only other thing that I would say is the lace isn't super soft, so it just is what it is. I don't find it necessarily problematic, but I know some people do. Other than that, it is reading a little bit shiny in my lights, but it's not. It's a matte lavender color. This is bumped up because that's the look of what it's supposed to be. I flattened it just a little bit, but I didn't want to like lose the integrity of the wig. I am just dying for this wig. I'm really excited to see what Avery thinks, so let's get them. Okay, what do you think of this one?
I like it.
Hold on. Okay, what?
I like it.
You like this one? Okay, so we had this one that I'm wearing, that one that I'm wearing, and then the Avery one that was the long red one, and then the short blonde one. So which of the Avery wigs do you like the best? You like the red one the best?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
What's the reason?
It's red.
Really?
I like the color red. It looks good.
Okay. All right. Well, anyway, scooch down a little bit. He's super, super tall. So Avery is going to be 15 soon. Avery's going to be 15 soon. So I wanted to do this video to say happy birthday, scooch in, to say happy birthday to him, and also to, that's what the whole reviewing the Avery wigs, quit with the scissors, reviewing the Avery wigs was all about. So Avery's favorite is the red one. I have to say this one here is my favorite. So okay, you guys weigh in, which one's your favorite? And all right, so anything else? Nope, we're all done. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.